Ja, 6 Stück. Lagerbulle, ne? So normal Lagerbulle.
I want to sing some songs about whiskey and love.
Important.
Or whiskey and romance, or so I'm going to start with a song that I wrote about a whiskey from Speyside. It's a whiskey that came out completely out of the blue from William Grant's. You know, William Grant's is a traditional company, family owned, very Scottish. They have Glenfiddich, which is the biggest selling single malt in the world, and they have Balvenie, which is right next door, and they also make blended whiskey, of course. A very traditional company, and then suddenly a few years ago they produced this whiskey called Monkey Shoulder. And Monkey Shoulder was such a strange name for a whiskey, you know. Yeah, well, it's Balvenie, Glenfiddich and Kinninvie, the three distilleries in Dufftown. And they mixed them together, so it's a blended malt. And they have an interesting name. Monkey Shoulder is not one of the sex positions in the
No.
in the manual.
Isn't it?
It's a condition that the malt men used to suffer from years and years of shoveling the malt. They got a twist, you know, a twist in their shoulder, so the whole body was, and then they walk like a monkey, you know, monkey shoulder. But they brought out this whiskey in an interesting bottle with three little like brass monkeys on the shoulder of the bottle. And it's not the three monkeys that you might imagine. It's not see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. In any case, in Scotland, there's 4 monkeys. It's not. It's three little monkeys, each one on the back of the other one. So I think they're having a gangbang. I think it's what I would call a menagerie à trois. And then if you look on the website, Monkey Shoulder website, it's a real modern, forward-looking, funky thing with music and funny noises, and it's appealing to young people, and it's got all these recipes for cocktails using Monkey Shoulder. And actually, Monkey Shoulder is not a bad whiskey. It's as good as Glenfiddich anyway, and but they seem to promote it to young people for making cocktails. So I decided to write a song about it, and the idea that came to my head was that there's a convention, a conference of cocktail makers, you know, mixologists, and the young man and the young woman are becoming, you know, attracted to each other. This happens at conferences. I remember it well from a long time ago. And so they're falling in love and they're fighting over the monkey shoulder.
I don't know, most people know where the name monkey shoulder coming from.
It's from the condition.
From the
Yeah, I said that. Yeah, I told you, didn't I? Yeah. From shoveling shit the whole day long, you get the monkey shoulder. No, actually, shit would be easier because the malt men shovel is much bigger. The malt shovel is bigger than the shit shovel. Monkey shoulder. I saw her standing there, long black hair. Was it a snare or an answered prayer? And I wanted to hold her, make my arms enfold her. Instead I just told her, hey, you bring the ice, 'cause I've got the flame. You take the sweetness, I'll take the blame if it smolders. 'Cause you've got the sunny smile I've got the monkey shoulder. Yeah, 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 the monkey shoulder. We could be Bonnie and Clyde, Jekyll and Hyde. Let's go for a ride. It's stuffy inside, and I wanted to kiss her. I just could not resist her. And then she said in a whisper, hey, I've got the light and you've got the shade, but do what you like, 'cause I'm not afraid. I got bolder, and I've got the winning ways, and you've got the monkey shoulder. Yeah, 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 the monkey shoulder. There's you and there's me. No, there's me and there's you. Get it right. There's me and there's you. 1 and 1's 2. Here's what we'll do. I'll make it up to you, and we'll do a little shaking till my arms are aching with all the mixing and making. The burn and the ice, the sweet and the tang, the dark and the nice, just like Tristan and Isolde. 'Cause she had a winking eye, and he got the monkey shoulder. Yeah, 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 the monkey shoulder. Yeah.